Hi Charleston County, my name is Theresa Wagner and I'm the Adult Services Librarian at the Johns Island Regional Library. In today's craft, we will be learning how to make a tote bag out of an old t-shirt. So if you have an old t-shirt lying around, that's all you will really need to do this craft. I find that a large or extra large is the best size-wise, although you could use a smaller t-shirt if that's all you have. It just affects the size of your tote bag. And you will also need a pair of fabric scissors. Standard kitchen scissors will also work if that's all you have, but I find that the fabric scissors are sharper. The first step is to cut the sleeves off of your t-shirt. So you're going to lay your t-shirt flat, and along the seam where the sleeve is sewn on to your t-shirt, you're going to cut along that seam like so. And do the same thing on the other side. And you won't need the sleeves part of your t-shirt. Now, the next step is to turn your t-shirt around. It just makes it easier to cut. We're going to be cutting off the neck part of the t-shirt. So we're forming the handles of our tote bag. So you're going to want to cut maybe about 2 inches away from the collar. You're going to start cutting a scoop neck, and if you want to keep the logo of your t-shirt, you can adjust how deep you cut it. Keep in mind this may affect how big your tote bag is, but a lot of people like to keep the logo of their t-shirt intact. So you would cut the neck out like so. Now you're going to want to turn your t-shirt around. Now, the next step is actually to turn the t-shirt inside out. And lay it flat onto your table. Make sure that you line up the seams of the t-shirt. The top and the bottom are going to lay flat and even with each other because we are going to be cutting, but we need to make sure that they're lined up. So on one end, you're going to want to cut a slit on the very edge of the t-shirt, and you're going to cut about 2 inches into the fabric, like so, along the edges. And then you're going to hold both pieces of fabric together and cut 2 inches in. You're going to come over about 1 inch and cut about 2 inches in along the edges. And you're going to keep doing this until you get to the end of your t-shirt. Now that we have cut slits in our t-shirt, we are going to tie them together. So you're going to still keep your t-shirt laid flat and start at one end, and you're going to tie the top with the bottom. And it may be handy for you to keep your pair of scissors out in case you need to, like right here, I need to cut that a little more. In case you need to cut a little more to be able to tie your t-shirt. But you're going to want to tie your strips together, like so. You want to try to tie them tight and as closely together, and if you can, double knot them. Like so. So when you're done tying your ties, it should look something like this. Now the final step is to turn your t-shirt right side out again. So just put your hand in and turn it inside, right side out. And your t-shirt should, you'll see the other side of your knots right there. And there you have your t-shirt tote bag.